How to add new theme in WordPress. Are you ready to give your website a fresh new look? In this video, I will show you step by step how to add a new theme in WordPress. Let's get started. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Click on Appearance. From the drop-down menu, select Themes. Click on the Add New button. Browse or search for themes. Use the search bar to find a specific theme by name or keyword. Hover over any theme that catches your eye. Click on the Preview button to see how it would look on your site without installing it. Install your chosen theme, click on the Install button. Thanks for watching our tutorial on how to add a new theme in WordPress. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.